Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anti Nur Mukafah. I'm from Elementary School Teacher Education, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Allow me to convey the result of my research entitled Primary School Student Considerations in Extracurricular. Introduction. The first background. The implementation of extracurricular activities can be adjusted to student interests and talents with the support of both internal and external factors. Second, problem of study. Extracurricular activities are divided into several factors that influence students to participate in extracurricular activities. Third, state of the art. Pangestu 2021 states that many factors can influence student motivation to take part in extracurricular activities. The last, gap study. The difference between this research and previous research in this research explore deeper information regarding internal and external factors that influence student interest in carrying out extracurricular activities. The next, research method. The method is qualitative case study approach. Qualitative case study approach. This data was taken from interviews, observation, and documentation. The data were validated by data collection technique and data or search triangulation. Data analysis in this study used interactive data analysis from Miles Huberman. Next, result and discussion. The result obtained from interview, observation, and documentation on the extracurricular activities of elementary school Muhammadiyah Al-Kausar are as follows. Extracurricular, the first futsal, and second archery. Internal factor futsal is self-motivation of the child, aspiring to be a soccer player and have talent. And then external factor futsal is full encouragement from family, peer influence such as invitation and support, and facilities provided and are adequate. Internal factor archery is most students join extra archery because they are asked by their parents. The students' aspiration did not lead to archery and did not have previous talent. And then external factor archery, they it as an invitation from the teacher, less family support, and invitation from a friends. Next, discussion of internal factor that motivates students in making choice about extracurricular activities. Students' lack of achievement is not due to lack of ability, but due to lack of motivation to learn. The aspect of aspiration is a factor that can influence students' choice in choosing extracurricular activities, especially futsal extracurricular. Lack of knowledge and support in archery leads to students not having the initial talent and not choosing archery as an extracurricular. Discussion of external factors that motivate students in making choices about extracurricular activities. The teacher acts as a support system and equipped to discover students' non-academic interests and talents. Parents support extracurricular choice with encouragement, prayer, and material support to students. The association of friends in primary school is important, especially for students who are active in extracurricular activities. Students' abilities are not actualized due to unsupportive environmental factors. And the last conclusion. The biggest internal factor that influences the choice of extracurricular futsal is aspiration, followed by talent, and finally motivation. Meanwhile, the internal factor that influence the choice of extracurricular archery is motivation and not talent or ambition factor were found. The biggest external factor that influence the choice of extracurricular futsal and archery is family, namely the form of support in prayer, motivation, and materials. It can be said that futsal has greater potential to develop because students already have a strong foundation. Meanwhile, extracurricular archery must be. That was the presentation I delivered. More or less apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.